Alright, I think I have this locked down pretty good. This is the big laminated Stanley lock. Their older version, I think their newer version, isn't laminated. It's just a big steel chunk. But I'm not sure if they still make this one. It is a Schlage 6-pin lock, and let's take a look and see if I could get it on camera. Okay. And this is a Sparrow's deforced diamond. Okay. Let's take a look. Maybe add some more lighting. Okay. And it's pin 1, or I think that was pin 2. Gave a slight turn. Alright, and then we're just going to keep moving back. Until we find the next binding pin. It was pin 3, I think. And pin 4, I can't even get by him too good. I kind of have to slide underneath him because he's kind of locked in place, so then I have to set him. Let's see. Alright, so that was him. And then pin 5, and there was a slight turn of the core. Actually, I think that was pin 6. And we have a pretty good false set. And yeah, 5 and I think these are all. I'm just looking to see which one is giving feedback. It's pin 1. Yeah, okay. Alright, so he's set. And, oh, actually I think it's open. Yeah. Alright, so there we go. The Stanley. I don't know what model this is. Doesn't have any markings on it, but I think the newer one is called the 24/7, and I don't know what this one would be called. Alright, and the next lock I'll be working on will be, I don't think I have it over here, is the Schlage Kryptonite. I actually bought another one on eBay. I'm waiting for that to get here. And I'll show off the picks I use. This is Sparrow's, I think they call it the Competitor, or the, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the Competitor. These are their standard picks here. This guy I made. This is from an old Clom set. I actually use this quite a bit on bigger keyways. And then I have assorted tension wrenches, and this guy I just cut down. This was also from a Clom set. This is what I use for top of the keyway tension, and this guy here with this lock, because the actual cylinder's in there pretty far. I use this longer guy, and for a shorter lock like the Avis, I'll use this smaller top of the keyway tension wrench. Alright, thanks for watching.